let's continue deleting the old bow direction code by replacing it with is the bow going right. This could be something that initially is false, but we are going to change it. We are not going to always decrease bow x. If is the bow going right, then we are going to increase bow x. Otherwise, we will decrease it. And now let's think of where to change the value of this variable. Well, if the bow has reached the right end of the playing field, then is the bow going right should now be false. So in order to start moving left, and if we reach the left side of the playing field, we don't need all this bow direction code, we just need to is the bow going right be true. So I think I just removed a lot of code. I think I can safely delete bow direction. Perhaps there might be one or two places where I still use it and I will have a mistake, but no, I don't have any mistakes in my code. It is running and I think that the bow is reflecting just fine. I hope you like this. I hope you write it in your code without watching this video, and I hope you wonder what are we going to do. Now it's the moment where for a second time in this lesson we are ready for our job. Well, the first time we deleted everything and now we are just about to do the same. Yes, I don't like this idea too. It is difficult. It has a part of the code that is not as simple as needed. I will offer you an idea in which all those 10 lines of code will be replaced just by 2 simple evaluations. In order to be able to do this, you will need 2 variables that are not going to be Boolean. They are not going to be able to be just true or false. Instead, we are going to have normal number variables, and I'm going to call them bow speed right. So this is going to be the speed by which the bow is moving to the right. Apparently this is a value that we need to add to bow x on each update. We already had such a variables about speed. So if we just add this to bow x, we will be able to move the bow to the right with different speeds. This is totally not needed in the game Pong. Why would I offer it? In game Pong, we need to move to the right with always the same speed, and we need to move other times to the left, again with the same speed. Well, I'm going to surprise you by telling you that moving left is the same as moving to the right, but with one special kind of speed. I think you've already heard that in the winter the weather is really cold outside and the temperatures become negative. Have you heard of negative numbers? Well, that's just what happens with my money when there are big meatballs in the restaurant. I really love them and I want to eat a lot of them, so I buy and buy and buy meatballs. And in the beginning I have a lot of money, my money decrease, at one moment my money are almost zero, and if I continue eating meatballs, my money are going to become a negative number. Yeah, this is crazy, but I'm going to own money to the restaurant that I don't have. I think I can safely say that I will have a negative money in such a moment. Well, our ball speed to the right also can be a negative number. For example, if in the beginning we want the ball to move left, we can give this variable a value of -3. If we add -3 to ball x will actually decrease. So try to do such an idea in which we have ball speed right and ball speed down, for example, and those two variables are used to increase ball x and ball y. Of course, such variables should be changed from +3 to -3 in all those ifs that we already have. So be very careful now in which of the ifs you should put which of the variables to +3 or -3. It's going to be a really simple task, and after this nice task our code will be so short, so simple, you will like it.